Here is a Comfort Zones box fan, model CZ200A, A for a piece of junk. Made in China. Ooh, China, made in China. This was made in the third month of 2018, probably sold in the summer of 2018, and it was thrown out in the summer of 2019 because the bearings locked up. A couple of drops of oil got it going again, but the bearings are rooted beyond all recognition. But it still runs, so I refuse to get rid of it. Works just fine as a junky fan used down here in the basement over by where I do the cleaning, by the sink. I use it to move the air around if I'm using a cleaner that's got fumes or something. Sometimes I'll put it on when I'm drying stuff out, and you know, it does just fine. Anyways, it's getting kind of dusty. I don't think I ever cleaned it when I got it, and I just noticed today it's getting really gross, and it's not moving as much air as it used to. Not that it ever moved a whole lot of air to begin with, but it could do better than it does. So let's see if we can clean this out and make it work a little bit better. Why is the guard stuck? Okay. Oh, I guess I just didn't take that screw out all the way. Okay, so here's the front guard. Yeah, it's got a lot of dust in there. That's why it's not working too well. And the blade is warping comically so much, so that doesn't help the performance any. The motor's pretty hot. I was using this before. Anyway, so we'll clean the blade off. This screw is already fixing to come out. This should probably be blown out with the compressed air, but for now we'll just do this. Oh, that's all stuck on there. Okay, then it's going to stay. It's far from perfect, but it's much better than it was. Let's see if it runs any different. I suspect it'll move a fair bit more air now. Oh yeah, it does. It moves a lot more air now. It's still a piece of junk, but at least now it's clean and the performance is somewhat acceptable.